All right, customer states, recently bought mower, couldn't get it to start. I'm pretty sure I flooded it. So it's a woman in the neighborhood, a single mom, and I told her I would just help her out with it. No problem, free of charge. So I just brought it back, and as I was about to unload it, I hadn't looked at it yet. I already saw the problem. So let's see if any of these smart kids can figure it out.
I think I know. It's
Paul, go.
that spoke plug.
Yeah. Is that what you were going to say, Peter?
Yep.
YouTube
Wait,
X?
you put that on there?
Yeah, so go ahead and put that on there. Yep. And push. There you go.
And now it's fixed?
Right. So with,
Oh, that was easy.
yeah, with this is a wire that comes from the ignition coil. And if that's not on the plug, then the plug doesn't give the zap. And if you don't have a zap, you don't have a...
Can I mow the lawn with this?
We might be able to do that. Anyway, sometimes it's that easy. And
I
with
know,
just a
can I?
little bit of knowledge and visual inspection, you can help a friend or a neighbor out. Take care, folks.